Well guys, it's been 2 weeks since my last construction update for Flash Vertical Velocity, and I already hear work going on, so let's head inside and see how much progress they made. All this and more coming up next on PA and J Thrones. Park hours today are 10:38. Let's start out by heading back to Flash. So no work going down here where the non-inverting dive loop is going to be, but let's head back to Justice League. There's definitely some work being done over here. Not sure what's going on. Oh, it looks like they're cutting down some trees. There's definitely a lot more clearing going on this week. So this is going to be the side. I guess the spike's going to be somewhere over here. Based off. Well, the spike is going to be right in the middle of the sideboard. So this is going to be, I guess, where the dive loop is. So it looks like more prep work is going on over there. So hopefully we should start seeing more supports down there in the next upcoming weeks. Let's head into the Justice League queue. This is like one of the best views you can get. Oh, a couple more vehicles down here. Definitely hear a jackhammer going on somewhere back there. So it looks like they're clearing probably some spike or something. Couple excavators out there.
Hello, Cyborg, do you read me? Cyborg. Copy that, Superman. Now, I've been perfectly everywhere. Luther's been building Lexington, thousands, releasing them all over the city. They're causing massive damage and difficult to defeat. They've got more overuse. Luther and the Joker
Just did a ride on Justice League and Batman, and now we're gonna head over to El Toro and King Dakar. Let's go. El Toro is running great. I think I might head back to Medusa, and then we might go do the safari off-road to check out the progress on Savannah Sunset. Alright, great 2 rides there on Medusa. Let's check out Safari Off-Road Adventure.
Hello, Kathleen. Hi, Kathleen. There we go. There's the volume. As we get started, I do have a couple of wildlife. It is a $5,000
So there's a couple markers back here for potential 2025 project, as you will see. So a couple of the trees and bushes are starting to be marked up. Look, there's one right there, one right there. So usually this is for trees that are going to be tagged or relocated or even removed.
And as it dries, it turns to a whitish tint. So that's where we believe the mistranslation occurred. You may also notice that these have horns in front of their face. It's not a true horn, it's actually made up of keratin. Same material as our fingernails and hair. So just like we're able to shape our fingernails and hair, they're able to shape their horns. On the left-hand side is going to be our herd of African elephants. African elephants are different from Asian elephants because if you were to pull their ear all the way out. On the right-hand side is our blue wildebeest closest to the fence, as well as more fallow deer. The blue wildebeest actually participate in the Great Migration every year, where tens of millions of wildebeest and other animals will follow food sources and water throughout the continent of Africa. And you can actually see the movement of animals from space. We do have satellite images of it. On the left, the horns develop, and they will actually be used in your Jewish ceremonies called shofars. On the right-hand side, that's your fair Savannah Sunset Resort and Spa, opening this summer. It is a luxury glamping resort that you can experience right here in the middle of the safari. It is a minimum 2-night stay. There will be a restaurant, bar, coffee shop, and spa. You will be able to feed the giraffes breakfast every morning of your stay, as well as wake up to the sound of the lions roaring in the morning.
Wow.
More information can be found at sixflags.com. And if you do have to go towards the main entrance of the theme park, they do have an example glamping tent already set up, so you can see exactly how they're going to be set up. Shorter muzzle than our European brown bears. And they are quite smaller. The males only cap out at about 500 pounds, and the females cap out at about 300 pounds. Gummy bear, that is correct. So I have a few more jokes for you guys. Does anybody know what color socks bears wear? What color socks they wear? None, they have bare feet. And last one, I don't want to make it too unbearable for everybody. Does anybody know what the male black bear said to the female black bear? You look very cute today. As we head into the European brown bear section, we'll be able to see bears on both sides of the truck. They are European brown bears, they are not grizzly bears. Grizzly bears are about 100 pounds heavier, as well as a foot taller. Other than to share that muscle. Has anybody been able to ride their favorite roller coasters yet today?
There's another one right there. A couple more in these trees. Looking forward to seeing the progress.
Seated and buckle until I give you the okay.
Sorry for the bumpiness, everyone. So hopefully Sawmill Log Flume opens soon.
I do apologize, it's just going to be a quick minute until we get into the station.
Some more progress on log flume. We're starting to put some of the trough pieces, more and more of them back in, so hopefully that opens in the next upcoming week. There's still a couple missing, but hopefully, you know, we get to ride it this summer. This looks like a pretty big area for a new potential coaster. Now, what do I think that this could potentially be? I don't know. I've kind of always seen them going back with Vekoma again. They're already working with them. And there's actually a couple markers on Sawmill Log Flume, so maybe the coaster will go over Sawmill Log Flume. Again, I'm not confirming that it's a coaster, but this whole back area is highly rumored to be getting something new. Because Flash Vertical Velocity was a very last minute addition here to Great Adventure. So, yeah, something to keep an eye on this summer, and I will be sure to update you guys on it as we see more and more progress. And my first time eating at Best of the West. I'll let you know how it is. So Best of the West was fantastic. I highly recommend, you know, stopping here. You look for great barbecue. Yep, I head to King de Cod next in El Toro. and then probably back to check out more of the progress they've made on Flash. Two rides there on King Ka and El Toro. Yeah, let's head back to Flash. Jersey Devil and Nitro. What's going on with you two? So I don't think I noticed this yet, but it looks like Casa de Quesadillas got a fresh new coat of paint. Looking great. Just a Twister over there, and now we're gonna head to Superman. Great ride there on Superman. Since Nitro and Jersey Devil are both closed, might head out to King Ka and El Toro and get some final rides on that before the park closes. All right. So one more thing before we go, we gotta check out Dream Street. So looks like more work has been done on Dream Street pathway. So it doesn't look like this is gonna be a purple tent, but instead a blue, red, green, and orange to match the 4 tents that surround it, with the yellow one being in the middle. So hopefully we also see some more bricks added as well in the next upcoming weeks. Already almost done 2 sections, so yeah. And well guys, that's gonna do it from this week's Flash Vertical Velocity construction update. I hope you all enjoyed it. Yeah, hopefully in the next upcoming week we should see supports going in for Flash. I imagine in the next week or so we should finally see that going, and Looks like they're just about ready, and then I imagine it might go up pretty fast after. It's not really that big of a coaster, although there is a lot of track and a lot more than I was ever expecting. Also, lots of great progress going on around the park for the 50th anniversary. And it's exciting to see a potential 2025 coaster that might be coming to Six Flags Great Adventure. So if you like this video, be sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button, as anytime there's something going down here for the 50th anniversary, as well as that potential 2025 coaster, as well as Flash Vertical Velocity, I will be sure to update you guys on it. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye, guys.